Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature some of the most exciting and entertaining biker content. This episode is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy moments caught on bikers' camera, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it. In our first video, we have a crazy Karen who apparently didn't like the bike noise. And this is what happened. The crazy thing about this is that the biker doesn't come here at all. I believe that he was only once here before, and despite that, some people still have a problem with it. If you ask me, the biker did a completely right thing here. He didn't want to stay around and pointlessly argue with her. Since there was no contact, there was also no need to stay and waste his time. Be smarter and just move on. Pay close attention at the car on the left side of the biker. It's an angry Karen, and she immediately lost it when the biker turned her way. Check it out.
Yeah, beautiful. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I gotta take it off. Oh, this, yeah.
In this video, you will see an elderly gentleman behind the wheels who doesn't know where to turn. He was totally confused in this situation.
What the are you doing?
In this video, the biker came close to crashing, and it was all due to driver's inability to pay attention while changing lanes.
What was that? What are you doing? Moving lanes out of nowhere!
Illegally passing the biker on the inside, aren't we?
What was that? You going on the road, you stupid nut. Red, who is obviously the much more experienced cruiser rider,
This crazy driver cut across the entire road, and he cut straight in front of the biker. You guessed it. Of course, he didn't use his indicators, nor did he check his mirrors. Some drivers are unbelievable.
you
Yep. The snow goes away, and out comes the construction cones. Ah, it feels good to be back.
This cool biker got some new bracelets for the year 2023, and it didn't took too long for him to ride out and hand them out to strangers in traffic. Check out this cool and epic video.
I run a YouTube channel. Yeah.
Interesting and cool thing about this biker is that he does this on a regular basis. Handing out bracelets and talking to strangers is his usual thing, and that's so cool. We definitely need more videos like this one, and I believe that the biker will be more frequent with his upload once the spring and summer season arrive. Can't wait.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Be safe, buddy.
Yep. Hey. Hey. They're gonna give me a little thumbs up. Come here real quick.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep. Have a good day.
Doing, eh?
Road driver nearly hit a biker as he dangerously passed him by. But that's not the worst thing about the situation. The biker was angry, of course, but he was ready to let it go and move on. However, he noticed that the driver was smiling in his car after the close call, and this is where he snapped.
Is it funny, is it?
Roll it down!
Is it funny, eh?
Roll it
Funny?
down!
Something to laugh about, do you? Eh? Something to laugh about? Stupid.
I know there's nobody in my lane coming.
Even though this cyclist was in his own lane, and the driver was in his own as well as he was making a turn, for some odd reason he still honked at the cyclist.
In your lane, you're in your lane, good for you.
This crazy driver was driving with a heavy trailer on the back of his vehicle as well, and that didn't prevent him from running a red light.
Whoa, big fella.
These two ladies couldn't take their eyes off of this cyclist. I want you to pay close attention at the Hyundai driver that's in front of the biker. He indicated left, but instead of turning left, he turned right and nearly caused an accident.
¿Qué está haciendo?
The driver in front of the biker was swerving from lane to lane for some odd reason. Not to mention the use of indicators. He totally forgot about them. And when the biker approached him, he cut back in his lane as well, almost knocking him off his bike. Driver had a stop sign, but that didn't prevent him from trying to pull out onto the road and nearly hitting the biker in the process. We have another crazy driver swerving from lane to lane. Unlike the other one from the previous clip, this one at least indicated, but he didn't check his mirrors, and the biker nearly suffered a nasty injury. and just when the biker was starting his ride. It's a beautiful day outside and he just wanted to have some fun. But unfortunately, fate decided to mess with him, and this is what happened.
The motorcycle gods don't want me to ride today.
In the arms of the angel.
How can I do this? It's not that bad. I think I could ride like that. I'm just kidding.
It's a lot closer when you get going. You don't got no zip ties or nothing?
Nah.
Just when the biker was about to stop for the pedestrians to cross the road, his bike stalled.
Oh non, c'est passé à deux petites.
This lady entered a one-way street the wrong way, and she didn't want to reverse. Neither did the biker. They both stood there for a moment after the lady realized that the biker was the one who was more stubborn.
Je peux pas reculer? Je suis en moto, je peux pas reculer? Je vous avais pas vu, je vous avais pas vu et je peux pas reculer en moto. Je peux pas, j'ai pas de marche arrière moi. Pardon. Oh c'est bon, t'as 2 secondes là.
Pay close attention at the cyclist in front and make sure to write me your opinion at who's at fault here. The cyclist was going straight and he went through amber light, and the driver was making a turn. It didn't come to a crash, but it was fairly close. What do you guys think?
There you go.
As the biker was waiting for the traffic to clear, he was being dangerously passed by other drivers. The SUV in the oncoming lane was making the same turn, but she didn't want to let the biker in. Karma soon decided to pay her a visit, and this is what happened.
I first met Andy Dufresne.
And with this clip, we conclude another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something. All the clips you watched are for educational purpose and are there to make you learn on the mistakes of other drivers or bikers. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, hit that bell button to stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for all your support so far, and until the next episode, ride safe and eyes wide open.